Good evening, ENP701GW1. This is your professor, Dr. Lennon, coming to you live with a kind of a scraggly homeless Santa beard going here because I can't shave due to the shingles. All right, team. I figured I'd shoot this quick video to show folks count them two things that you have left in this course. Real easy. If you go on to D12, go to Course Home, you will see the Team Business Plan Lean Canvas assignment. And underneath that, you will see the slide deck directions. I'll fix that spelling. All right. Here's all you got to do. The Lean Canvas, I even attached a copy of the template here. Just fill it out, guys. Here you can open it or here from there or just open it from here. Okay, just go ahead, save, and here, open it. You'll see the Team Business Plan Canvas. I want your team name here. When does it due? This coming the 7th. If it looks just like the other ones you filled out, it is, because it is the exact same. Do this for your team business plan, okay? All right, next, go ahead and then submit it to Dropbox. You click on that, click your team, and submit to the proper Dropbox. And before you do so, please be sure to save it and save the name as something memorable like Team Business Team 1 Business Lean Canvas or something, okay? And put it in the right place. Also, be sure to put your teammates' names somewhere on this document so I don't lose it, all right? So that's number one. Number two, do your slide deck, and I'll correct that. Slide deck directions. The shingles seem to be impacting my ability to spell. All right, read through this, but it's real easy, guys. You're going to go ahead and just take the template that I provide you, and here's the template down here. And let's just go ahead and open it. And you're going to fill out this template. All right. And first off, by all means, change the look and feel. I don't want any green and black ones. Use something that's reflective of your company. All right. Briefly describe the problem that your product or service will solve. So if your product's an electric car, say, then, provides, fuel efficient and eco-friendly form of transportation. Describe the opportunity. Give me some data here. What's the market size? All right. Next, product, what it is, including the name and what it does. Your business model. How are you going to generate revenue? Is it a one-time sale or is it a subscription service? Is it ongoing sales? Your textbook can help you with this. They talk about this a lot. Identify your competition. Who are they? Are they profitable? Next slide would be competitive advantage. How are you different from your competitors? What makes your product a better mousetrap? All right. Next one, cooperation. Who can you collaborate with to sell your product, right? I'm like, Next one is, what do you need? What resources do you need to get this business started? How much money? Access to markets, research. Think that television show Shark Tank. It's pretty good. They're always saying, oh, Mr. Wonderful, I need this, or Mark Cuban, I need this from you. These are the sorts of things you want down here. Now, I have 9 slides listed here. Feel free to use up to 15, but I do not want text heavy, okay? I instead want like little graphics, little bullet points. Remember, you are pitching this to potential investors, all right? This is who you should be targeting. All right. Again, after you've done all of this, save it and be sure to put everybody's names on it, okay? And then you'll upload it to the Dropbox there as well, okay? And again, this is due by this coming Saturday, the 7th, at 11:30 p.m. All right, now, final point. if you go to grades, all right, you'll see everybody's done their reading quizzes. Everybody's already submitted all their analyses, right? In the individual business simulations, for any of you who have not submitted an AAR, after action report, it's very easy. An after action report is nothing more than a 1 to 2 page write-up on how you played your game for the food truck. Okay? What you learned, how you corrected it, how you fixed it. Some students even included a couple of screenshots of some of the feedback they got. That was sweet. Not required, but very nice. So kudos on that. You'll get an extra point or 2 on that. All right? That's all you got to get doing here. The rest of this, the team business plan, you already got your team write-up is already done. Now I'm looking for slide deck, and there it's not, you can't see it on the screen here, but all the way on the bottom, the team, here. Team business plan, lean canvas. And that's it. All right, guys. One other thing, please take the faculty survey, faculty evaluation. It's important for us as ACBSP accreditation to get as many responses on this as we can. So that's always helpful. And thank you very much to all of those who have reached out and expressed your thoughts and concerns. Yes, shingles is as nasty as they tell you it is. So if you have a loved one who's 50 years older and they've had chicken pox, have them talk to their doctor, and if she or he advises it, for goodness sake, get the vaccine. All right. Thanks, everybody. It's been a pleasure. Bye.